Retail format. Retail sectors in India. India contributes only 2.9% of a total retail sales, whereas USA, Japan contributes 80% of its. India is basically divided into two markets, base one organized market and second unorganized retail. What do you mean by the organized retail? The sector refers to the sector under the license of the retail who has registered with the department or the retail marketing which who pays the taxes of the government. Best example, supermarket, departmental store, D-Mart. You all have visited to the D-Mart. You have purchased the n number of product with the D-Mart. आपने bill देखा होगा D-Mart का. You purchase all number of products are listed in that and you have the taxes as well as a bill. It's a bill copy, it was a tax invoice is included. It's known as the organized market. Benefits of a e-tailing. E-tailing. No investment in infrastructure required. Transaction in a simple and one click. Better interaction with the customer and easier for a customer to locate their business. जैसे बेनिफिट है उसमें लिमिटेशन भी है. प्रॉब्लम्स विद द पेमेंट सिस्टम, प्रॉब्लम्स विद द शिपिंग, ऑफलाइन presence and product offered with a discounts rates. Emerging trend in retailing. What are the trends are emerging in retailing? Now we will see. Impact of globalization on retailing. Nowadays, you know the market has been globalized. From each and every corner of a country or of the world, you can market your product. Now we will see the impact of globalization on retail. Retail is the fastest growing sector in the India economy. The traditional kirana store are getting replaced by a departmental store, hypermarket, supermarket and specialty of stores. Guest internet access. What do you mean by the guest? जो कभी कभार आता है internet. It's known as the guest internet access. You are not used to it with the purchase of internet, but आपको कोई एक product अच्छा लगा and you want to purchase that product. So no need to create an account on that site and you want to the purchase. आपको एक ही product अच्छा लगा, you are not regular buyer of that site and you don't buy a large number of product on the internet. You used to have a traditional way of buying. So what you can do is that it is a guest entry of internet also. आपको समझो एक प्रोडक्ट अच्छा लगा, आपने वो परचेस किया, that's all. It known as a guest entry. Limitation of a IT in retail. Now we will see the limitation of information technology in retail. First, implementation is quite expensive as information technology is not flourish in India or it has not been as much developed or as much cheaper than any other countries. It has been expensive. किसी भी रिटेलिंग कंपनी को अगर आईटी सेक्टर्स को डेवलप करना हो अपने लिए, इट हैज बीन एक्सपेंसिव फॉर देम. इफ दे आर परचेसिंग एक्सपेंसिव आईटी, it will reflect on their sales because they have to increase their sales price also. Security gaps. There are the chances of leakage of the information of a customer, of the company, of their pricing, of their goods to another. The leakage can affect the company sales. अगर समझो आप मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज में काम करते हो and you have want to go for vacation or you want a holiday, so what you have to do, you have to go on the HR portal and just you have to file the request of an holiday and you can get your holiday sanction just through an SMS or a text from a company. It's known as a Go Green, paperless. Investment in the technology would save the time and resource spent on operations. इन्वेस्टमेंट स्पेंड करना बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है ऑन टेक्नोलॉजी, क्योंकि साइंस ऑफ ऑपरेशनल क्या करता है, वो हमेशा कम करता है. इट्स अ बेनिफिट्स ऑफ द ग्रीन. नाउ वी विल सी अबाउट द रिटेल शॉपर. ऑर्गेनाइज्ड रिटेल इन इंडिया स्टैंड्स अराउंड 3% ऑफ द टोटल रिटेल मार्केट. Organized. In last session we have known what is the organized retail and unorganized retail. Just tell me which are the example of organized retail. Supermarket, hypermarket and departmental stores are registered retailer who pay the tax, and that is known as a organized retailer. कितना परसेंट है? 3% of a retail market. It shows a signs of a bigger and a better growth around 30% in CAGR. The Indian consumer is turning into a conventional shopper so that retail format are being driven all in format. changes in the consumption pattern. Nowadays the consumption pattern has been changed. Let's take an example against of a clothing facility. पहले हम लोग फॉर्मल्स पहनते थे. Now we need chinos, we want baggies, pant, cargo pants. So there is a consumption pattern has been changed. So they have to keep n number of product for the customer. Availability of low cost customer credit. It's rightly said that the sales generated on the credit are more compared to each of the cash. Credit sales भी होता है. आज के डेट में retailers also do a credit sales to known customer. Low cost is involved for the customers to purchase their price. Second, market expansion. A market expansion opportunity involves the existing retailing formats in new market segment. The market expansion option include the pursuit of additional market segment or geographically region. The development of a new market of a product may be a good strategy in the firm core competitions in the relative more to the specific product and it will expand in a good way. Market expansion. Let's take an example of Tata Groups. They are in Tata Tea, Tata Salt, Tata Consultant Services in IT sector and Tata Motors in automobile sectors also. HRM, Human Resource Management. The significance of a HRM in the retailer. The retail industry, in the service industry and the people are the most critical sources. It has built a very competitive environment. HRM, आपके पास सब कुछ तैयार है बट आपके पास लेबर ही नहीं है काम करने के लिए. यू कांट डू एनी वर्क विदाउट एन लेबर. आपके पास मशीन है बट उसको ऑपरेट करने के लिए ह्यूमन रिसोर्स की तो जरूरत होगी. सो यू नीड एन लेबर. रिक्रूटमेंट डिपेंड अपॉन द साइज ऑफ नंबर ऑफ वैकेंसीज. आपके पास जितनी वैकेंसी होगी उतनी आपको रिक्रूटमेंट करना ही पड़ेगा बिकॉज दे आर द वंस हु विल रन द बिजनेस एंड डू द सेल्स एंड जनरेट अ रेवेन्यू. Comfort, the purchase of a comfort product, sofa set, it will be amount 10 years one time. अपने सोफा सेट घर पे लेते हो 10 साल में एक बार कभी कभार अपने को बदलना पड़ता है. इट इज नॉट अ डेली प्रोडक्ट. ओके, इंडस्ट्रियल यूज बाय इंडस्ट्री. एग्जांपल रॉ मटेरियल्स. लेट्स सी. डिपार्टमेंट. At the entry point, the store of a customer will be located with a specific department of a merchandise desired. Men's, women's, junior fashions, food, court, games, zone, spa, etc. These are divided in a merchandise. Mall is the best example of that. Class. Within a specific area, the customer looks for the class merchandise desirable. Blouse, shirts, pants and dresses are the example. Need of recognition. The need is recognized by the product as we saw in our case of demand. The need should be recognized about the product and its demand by its own manufacturer or the producer. Second, general need of description, why it is needed and what is the use of that product. Fourth, product specification. The product should be specified about the uses and how to use. It is known as a product specification. Supplier search. If you are manufacturing the product, there should be a supply also of that product. So supplier search plays an important role to dispatch the product. Risk taking. Every individual should avoid to have a risk, but there is a different attitude about the risk taking. In case low risk takers end to a favor doing a business with the established supplier, while high risk taker concerned with a new source of supplier. जिसको रिस्क लेना है वो न्यू सप्लायर्स के थ्रू रिस्क लेता है because they are tend to take a risk, but those who do not want to take a risk, they use a renowned supplier for the buying process. Personality. The personality of a buyer determines the level of influence the buying decision. There are n number of personality with the different people who have their quality of personality and they can able to buy the product. Personality differs from person to person. कोई बिंदास रहता है, कोई इंट्रोवर्ट रहता है, कोई एक्सट्रोवर्ट रहता है. They know to buy the product.